Hi guys, this is Lisa Gonzalez with Phillips, Chevy in Frankfort. I'm going to be going over the navigation system on a 2018 Traverse Premier. So navigation's part of the Chevy MyLink system, so it's this little green icon right here. If you want to kind of go zoom in, zoom out, you have two options on how to see what's around you by pressing that button to zoom in, or this button to zoom out, or you can actually physically use your fingers and push them together. Your destination, that's just going to give you a couple different point of interest, an intersection if you wanted to find, your recent locations that you had typed in, or even addresses that you have saved. Now, if we did actually a point of interest, we'll show you here, we'll do a point of interest nearby. They give you a bunch of different categories. You got gas, you got food, you have hotels, shopping, whatever you want to do. We'll pick a mall. We'll go to the nearest mall, so we'll do that. We'll do actually shopping centers and malls, all the way go down to mall, and it'll show you all the malls within the next couple miles. So the closest one is going to be the Orland Park Mall. We're going to choose that location. Gives you options as far as what time you're going to get there, how far you have to travel, what the address is, if you actually want to physically call them, and then if you want to go there, you just press go.
The route calculation
now route is set up, and if you want to cancel your route, press this little red button and it's going to ask you if you want to cancel. And that is how you use the navigation system on your Chevy MyLink system on a 2018 Traverse Premier.